Smells like a garden. Mm-hmm. So you guys, I'm watering my sunflowers and there's two about to like blossom. But look, we got some friends. Can we just appreciate the beautifulness of my sunflowers growing? Like, let's run that back. Oh, how you so big? How you so big? This one. Look at this little baby right there. I like the fact that the little baby bees, I'm gonna call them baby bees. I seen the guy bring his little friend over. Isn't this crazy? They were swimming around the air. They were. I was about to say it again. Flying around the air, and he brought his friend over and showed him the sunflowers, and I'm growing them. Let's look on the other side. These are my little succulent plant. I have no idea. I found them at the community garden. And then one was already in my backyard naturally. So I put one on this side. And this is the one I got from the community garden. It has a flower on it. Flower. This one looks like it's gonna blossom so perfect. One of these days, I'm gonna catch a hummingbird on my sunflowers. This is my prettiest one right now. His little friend left. But you guys, he's starting to tell his friends now. First he was keeping it to himself for a long time. Now he over here snitching. I'm just kidding.